Attention here on East Fire Gray Station. Please respond at the Northwoods Elementary School 84925 Ethel Line. Responding for a call from the alarm company. It's a fire panel alarm. One hit. Key holders are pending. No answer on site. That's at the Northwoods Elementary School 84925 Ethel Line. Responding for a fire alarm. Time of first page is 12:09. Attention here on East Fire Gray Station. Here on East Fire Gray Station, please respond. Northwoods Elementary School 84925 Ethel Line. Crossroads are Newry Road and Pearson Street. Responding for a fire or panel alarm. Key holders are pending. No answer on site. That's at 84925 Ethel Line at the Northwoods Elementary for a fire alarm. Time of second page is 12:09 on June 20th.
Fire dispatch.
Go ahead.
Gray base here, we are responding.
Roger Gray, copy, you're responding, 1213. Roger 6-1, you're responding with 5, 1213. Sorry, unit calling, go ahead. That's Roger, sorry, can you just repeat your unit number? That's Roger 6-1, on scene, no smoke showing. It's 12:15:35. Attention North Huron Fire, Blyth Station. North Huron Fire, Blyth, please respond. The Esso Gas Barn, Blyth Road, just off of Elizabeth Street. You're responding for a vehicle on fire. No one inside at this time. Time of your first page is 12:16 on June 20th. Attention North Huron Fire, Blyth Station. North Huron Fire, Blyth, please respond at the Esso Gas Bar, Blyth Road and Elizabeth Street. Responding for a vehicle on fire. No one inside. Again, that's a vehicle fire at the Esso Gas Bar, Blyth Road and Elizabeth Street. Time of your second page is 12:17. It's June 20th. Blyth Fire, please.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Go ahead, Car 1.
Dispatch, page acknowledged for the Blyth station.
Roger, page acknowledged, 12:17.
Fire dispatch, Car 3.
Go ahead, Car 3.
Dispatch, can you confirm that that is in Auburn?
Confirmed, Car 3. That'll be in Auburn. I do have a proper address for you now as well. It'll be 38527 Blyth Road. 38527 Blyth Road.
Thank you. Fire dispatch, North Huron Hotel.
Go ahead.
Show Hotel on scene. We do have a car fully involved. We do have exposures. We have a large propane tank, and we have a gas bar.
That's Roger. You have a car fully involved, a large propane tank, and a gas bar with exposures, and hotels on scene, 12:18:54.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch going to request engine 1 and tank 4 out of the Wingham station.
That's Roger. You're requesting engine 1 and tank 4 from Wingham. It's 12:19:19, and I'll pace them out now. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond to the request of Blyth Station to 38527 Blyth Road for a fully involved car with exposures of a large propane tank and a gas bar. They're requesting engine 1 and tank 4 from the Wingham Station. That's at 38527 Blyth Road for engine 1 and tank 4. Time of first page is 12:19:54. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond at the request of Blythe Station to 38527 Blythe Road for a fully involved car fire with exposures of a large propane tank and a gas bar. They're requesting engine 1 and tank 4 from the Wingham Station. That's 38527 Blythe Road, crossroads of Sandhill Line and Elizabeth Street for a fully involved car fire, exposures of a gas bar and a propane tank. They're requesting engine 1, tank 4. Time of second page is 12:20:41.
Fire dispatch, North Huron tank 4 and engine 1 responding.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Hotel.
Go ahead.
We have an all clear on the vehicle. We also have the fire knocked down. We still got quite heavy smoke at this point.
That's Roger. All clear on vehicle. Fire knocked down. Heavy smoke. 12:21:17.
Fire dispatch, tank 9.
Go ahead, tank 9.
Dispatch, you can show tank 9 responding. Car 3 plus 3 belted.
Roger.
Car 3, car 1.
Go ahead, car 1, car 3.
Yeah, I'm south of Belgrave at this point.
Confirm that tank 8 is just about to leave the station.
Fire dispatch, tank 8, 2 belted.
That's Roger.
Car 1, car 3.
Go ahead.
Probably best if you can bring engine 6 then, just in case we need it if it spreads. Car 3, hotel. Go ahead, hotel, car 3. Down here, it's just smoking a bit now. Go ahead, hotel, car 3. Car 3, tank 8 and tank 9 should be sufficient. We've got the fire knocked down at this point. No more flames. It's still hot and there's still a bit of steam and smoke, but that's it. Confirm that.
Fire dispatch.
Go ahead.
Gray Base here, we're back at Hall. This is false alarm.
That's Roger. You're back at Hall with a false alarm at 12:24:58.
Tank 9, tank 4.
Go ahead, tank 4, tank 9.
Do you still want 4 and 1 to proceed?
Where are you at?
Tank 4 will be just coming into Whitechurch.
Tank 4, hotel's on scene and they think they've got it knocked down at this point. We'll be on scene in about 2 minutes. Just keep proceeding till we get on scene just to make sure we don't have a flare up. Fire dispatch, North Huron Hotel.
Go ahead.
You can show this is gasoline powered vehicle, not an EV. You can also show battery disconnected, and I'm not sure if I relayed we have an all clear at the car.
I copy gasoline powered vehicle and battery disconnected, and you did relay that it's all clear on the vehicle.
Hotel, car 3. Go ahead, car 3, hotel. Hotel, we're a mile and a quarter out. Tank 4 is partway down. Do we have him proceed the rest of the way or turn him around? What's your thoughts? That's a negative. I think the Wingham units can stand down. We can probably mop it up with tank 9. Confirm that. Tank 4, you can stand down, return to Wingham Station, please.
Roger that, Tank 9. Tank 4, standing down.
Fire dispatch, you can show Tank 9 arriving scene.
That's Roger.
Dispatch, you can show engine 1 standing down as well.
I copy engine 1 standing down, 12, 28, 12.
Fire dispatch, tank 8 on scene.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, you can mark agent applied.
Agent applied, 12, 38, 32.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can also mark car 3 in command and mobile.
That's Roger. Car 3, you're in command and mobile, 12, 31, 40.
Dispatch, you can mark fire under control.
Roger that.
Dispatch, command.
Go ahead.
Can you make sure that OPP is notified of this call, the non-emergency call?
That's Roger. We will make sure that they are notified for non-emergency call.
Dispatch, car 1's arriving on scene.
That's Roger.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you mark lost stop.
That's Roger. Lost stop, 12, 44, 31.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can mark scene being left with OPP. All responding units are returning to station. Calls being terminated.
That's Roger. Scene being left with OPP. All units returning to station. Call being terminated, 1302, 35.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, you can mark all units back in station, back in service. And when you have a moment, you can download that call, please. Thank you.
That's Roger. All units back at station, back in service at 132704. Have a good day.